Hi, it's Krista and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing this really popular hairstyle, the wavy look that everyone's been doing lately. I'm testing out this new Conair waver that I just got. If you guys want to see my thoughts on how to do this hair, keep watching. Also, if you want to see this look, I just filmed this video, so it's either going to be before or after this one. I'm going to leave the link in the description box for you guys to check it out. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Okay, so I'm gonna attempt to wave my hair with this Conair little 3-barrel. I got this at Walmart. I haven't used it. I haven't ever actually waved my hair, but we're gonna see how it goes. Okay, so I just sectioned off the bottom part of my hair, and I'm gonna spray a little bit of this Aussie Hair Insurance. It is heat protecting shine spray. Because it sprays all crazy, I'm just going to spray it in my hand and lightly run it through my hair. I'm going to brush that through. If you guys hear anything, that's Nipsey playing with his bone in the floor. So I'm going to start in the back and see how this goes. This waver was like $22, I think, at Walmart. So, really affordable. Oh. Okay, so this has like, I guess, temperatures. So I had it on 1, so it has like increments of 5. So I'm actually going to turn it all the way up to 30. So now that I've made it a little hotter, I'm going to see how this goes. Oh yeah, already I feel like that works better. I just didn't have it up high enough, I don't think. Like, this is like the easiest thing, because if you're not like someone who really knows how to curl their hair very well, like you literally just open, close, like you just clamp your hair on here and it does all the work for you, which is really nice. And 22 bucks is really affordable for something like this. And it works really well. So far, no complaints here. I'm not even holding it on my hair for very long, like literally just like 4 to 5 seconds. You don't want to hold at the root of your hair for too long, because you'll get a little crease right here if you do. And then this little piece, you see how it's like really curling under? I'm going to try to fix that. I'm gonna flip it the opposite way and try to align that curl in this barrel so that it will flip out instead of in, just lightly, so that it does that. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of dry shampoo. This is the Argan from Morocco, just the dry shampoo that I got on sale at Sally's. I'm also gonna put that in the back and just rub it in a little bit. You don't wanna do too much because they'll start to get frizzy. So I'm going to, I'm gonna spray a little bit of hairspray. This is the Tresemme Extra Firm. I'm not gonna spray a lot because I don't want it to be like crunchy or gross. Just pick it up and spray a little. I'm also gonna spray it at my root and just lightly press down any little flyaways. Okay guys, so here is the hair all done. So far I really like this Conair little curler waver. If you guys haven't tried out a waver and you want to try one, you should really try this one. It's really good. Also, it's super cute. It's rose gold and white, so it's really cute. It works really well. And if you have shorter hair, this is better because it's not, you see it has like smaller waves. It creates smaller waves, so it's not gonna, it's gonna give your hair more of a curly texture versus if you have a bigger barrel. Since these barrels are pretty small, it works really well for having shorter hair. I really like it and I think it looks really cute. So if you guys like this video, if you guys like hair tutorials or whatever you want to call this, hair get ready with me's, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.